U-clip. Ladies, ASNZS U-clip are made of low-smoke and halogen-free material. Available in black, white, and gray colors for customized needs. The sizes of ASNZS U-clip are 20mm to 50mm. U-clip plays the role of fixing of conduit and can be used with rigid conduit or corrugated conduit. The advantages of ASNZS U-clip are non-toxic, low smoke, fireproof of V0 levels, extinguished within 2 seconds, no corrosive gas, high and low temperature. They're complied with IEC 61386-25, IEC 60529, IEC 60754, UL-94, ASTM E662, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificated, etc. have been exported to North and South America, Oceania, Western Europe, and other markets, ideal for hospitals, schools, hotels, airports, government projects, etc.